Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great. As the title says, today I'll be showing you how to properly wash and maintain your synthetic wigs. We're gonna be using laundry products. This is gonna be my first time trying this method. I don't really know what's gonna happen, but let's see. Alright, you're gonna need a bowl. You can use a pot, which is what I'm using. That will be fine. You're gonna need a detergent, and it's gonna function as the shampoo, and you're also gonna need a softener, and it's gonna function as the conditioner. Alright, you're gonna start adding water into the pot. You're gonna try to find a room temperature. You don't want it too cold, not too hot. So yeah, that's the first thing you do. And then you add the detergent, and using the top of the bottle is a good way to avoid adding more than what you're supposed to. So I really recommend you to use it. Same thing with the softener. You're really not supposed to add a lot, but with the softener I added more because since it works as the conditioner, I don't know, I just want this hair to be really soft because I really love it when the hair is soft. I mean, who don't like it? So yeah, now you're gonna go ahead and add the hair. Make sure that the entire wig is all in. So yeah, you really gotta make sure that you put it all the way in. And especially if you're gonna add more than one wig, it's recommended to add more water because it's two of them, and you want the process to work for both of them. You want both to have the same results. Alright, once this is done, you're gonna let it soak for 30 minutes. It's not really recommended to leave it longer than that because it can give you bad results. So yeah, after those 30 minutes I'll be back with y'all. Alright, I'm back. So this is the time to wash my wigs. I've been wearing them, so I've been applying the glue on them. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and wash them and take all the dirt on them. And please, when you do this, do not scrub them. Don't think that because you're using laundry products you can treat them the same way you treat your clothes. No, it's not like that. And also make sure you take all the products that you've applied on the wigs. If you don't, it can make them really stiff, and you don't really want that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the synthetic wig leave-in conditioner spray. I'm applying it because when I was buying those wigs, that's something that they always recommended to me. They say that it really helps detangle your hair, and it helps keep your synthetic wigs on flick. So I decided to apply it, and after applying it, I'm gonna go ahead and dry my hair with a hair dryer. You guys, as I was going, I was starting loving the results. I was like, wow, this is crazy insane. So yeah, I can proudly say that this method really works. I really recommend it, and y'all should try it out. And if y'all do, please let me know in the comment section. And yes, I love how the hair looks right now. It looks crazily amazing, so soft, and it looks new. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing with the other wig. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.